Welcome to Best Picks HQ. Here are the best podcast hosting sites and platforms. First on the list, Captivate. It bagged the first position in this list dedicated to the best podcast platforms for a variety of reasons, such as a user-friendly dashboard, an inbuilt CTA, call to action, to direct your audience wherever you wish, and much more. Moreover, private podcasting and the following features further justify Captivate's placement in our list. Key features of Captivate: advanced yet easy to understand analytics, no limits on how much content you can store and upload, lets you embed a website, playlist player, and social media, support for transcription, allows link customization, supports all major podcast streaming applications. Availability of international customer support, allows batch uploading. Next on the list, Acast. Acast is a freemium podcast hosting platform with versatile features geared towards increasing your listener base. Share your podcast on social media channels with the audiograms, creating text videos to highlight the show's most significant moments. Acast also transcripts the episodes for you. The feature is available in English, Spanish, French, German, and Brazilian Portuguese, allowing you to produce accessible content in your own language. Next on the list, Blubrry. Blubrry is one of the best podcast hosting services for businesses. Buying any Blubrry plan will get you a free WordPress website managed by Blubrry's team. The WordPress podcast site also includes Blubrry's PowerPress plugin, providing a way to publish your podcast without hassle. You'll need to purchase a domain name separately. So, make sure to check our guide to know how to choose the right domain for your podcast. Next on the list, Buzzsprout. It is among the most popular podcast platforms for its attractive dashboard, episode chapter markers to make them more convenient for your audience, and a lot of other features. We liked Buzzsprout the most for its high automation. The platform takes care of all things automatically after you upload your podcasts. It submits your podcasts to various directories according to your publishing preferences. Next on the list, Podomatic. This freemium podcast hosting service is a great solution for podcasters who need mobility. It offers a mobile app to record and publish episodes from anywhere, with excellent audio quality. Podomatic also integrates with platforms such as Patreon, Podcorn, and What for Apparel. This lets you easily make money from podcasts, either by crowdfunding, running ads, or even selling merchandise. Next on the list, Fusebox. Fusebox is for those who wish to embellish their website with a podcast player, thus allowing visitors to instantly listen to your latest podcast episode. The player you get comes loaded with features and displays your entire podcast catalog for visitors to browse through and listen to. If you are using Fusebox on a WordPress website, then you can also enjoy its transcript plugin, which will display your podcast episode's entire transcript with just a single click. Next on the list, Audioboom. Audioboom is another podcasting platform that is really admired, especially since it is one of those rare sites that allow you to easily import an existing podcast through RSS. The site arms you with all the tools needed to create, manage, and monetize a podcast. Aside from all the generic features that one can expect from a tool of Audioboom's caliber, you also get a platform that allows you to manage multiple podcasts from a single unified dashboard. It is for this reason alone that Audioboom is widely regarded as one of the best podcast hosts for podcasting networks, radio groups, and casual independent creators. Next on the list, Podigy. Podigy is one of the best podcast hosting services for hobbyists and experts alike. If you already have a podcast, Podigy migrates it from one platform to another while keeping your ratings. This starts your journey with Podigy from where you had left off. Moreover, Podigy offers to optimize your audio quality with one click, ensuring that it is suitable for the different podcast platforms in their RSS feed, such as Google Podcasts, Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and Amazon. Next on the list, Zencastr. Zencastr provides unlimited episodes, downloads, and uploads to support any kind of podcast. The RSS feed is also managed by Zencastr, ensuring that the shows get delivered to platforms such as Google Podcasts, Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and even social media sites like Facebook. Moreover, creating podcast hosting sites is easy with Zencastr's free website hosting. The site will be in sync with your account, auto-updating every time you publish a new episode. Next on the list, Pinecast. Pinecast is a freemium podcast hosting platform that will help you create an excellent podcast for an affordable price. It offers IAB-compliant analytics with visual charts that are easy to understand. It reports subscriber and listener data such as listens by source, episode, and time of the day. To help promote your project, Pinecast also provides an auto-updated podcast website that is fully customizable and SEO-friendly. Next on the list, Libsyn. Libsyn is a podcast hosting service with flexible tools to help jumpstart your podcast. Supporting various media files such as audio, video, PDF, and text, Libsyn is excellent for podcasters who want to introduce content variety to their project. Besides distributing content to podcast directories, Libsyn also supports integration with over 20 platforms such as Facebook, WordPress, YouTube, and LinkedIn. Next on the list, Simplecast. A reliable podcast host, Simplecast has plans for both independent podcasters and enterprises. It also provides responsive and SEO-friendly podcast hosting sites with all its plans, which automatically update every time a new episode is published. Additionally, one Simplecast account can handle multiple podcast shows and team members. This helps you better organize and manage your team members, as they can be assigned to different administrative, analytics, and managerial roles. Simplecast's plans range from $15 per month to $85 per month. Networks and businesses need to contact the sales team to receive a price quote. Next on the list, RedCircle. RedCircle is a free podcast hosting platform that provides unlimited storage space and unmetered bandwidth for its users. Focusing on monetization, RedCircle is the best podcast hosting service for people who want to earn money with their podcasts. The platform comes with monetization options such as donations, subscriptions, programmatic advertising, and more. Next on the list, Omny Studio. Omny Studio is one of the best podcast hosting services when it comes to scalability, as it's perfect for growing the popularity of your podcast. One of Omny Studio's unique features is the drag-and-drop batch uploader. It provides a quick way to upload multiple episodes in one go. Alternatively, migrate all previous episodes through the platform's RSS feed importer. The platform supports various audio files, such as MP3, AAC, WAV, and uncompressed AIFF, with a maximum size of 1.2 GB/file. Next on the list, Backtracks. Megaphone by Spotify is a podcast hosting service that will help you create an accessible product. One of its unique features is Facebook Player, which allows your audience to listen to entire episodes directly on Facebook. In addition to sharing your podcast on platforms like Spotify and Deezer, embed the entire show or a selected episode on your website. Megaphone also lets you customize the player to better fit the site's theme. Next on the list, Resonate. It is among the best podcast hosting sites to reach your audience faster. It only needs a single click to distribute your podcasts across various listening applications. Moreover, Resonate is a platform where you can find professional editing and production services for seamless show hosting. Furthermore, below are its other notable features. Key features of Resonate: live visual dashboard showing insights about your podcast's performance, a podcast player you can add to your social channels, blogs, and website. Private podcast hosting allows you to choose the audience of your podcast, real-time support over chat, automatic podcasts. T-microsite creation, supports addition and management of podcast ads. Next on the list, Castos. There is no limit on how many podcasts you can create, store, and publish with Castos. As far as monetization is concerned, it supports direct donation collection from listeners to help you make more profit. Moreover, the following are its exciting features, making it the best podcast hosting platform. Key features of Castos: no restrictions on how many shows you can launch, allows you to test different styles for your podcasts and make longer episodes. The Seriously Simple Podcasting plugin allows you to upload episodes and manage them directly via WordPress, lets you launch multiple shows simultaneously, availability of a few private subscribers with every subscription plan, automatic transcription to boost your reach, lets you customize the podcast web page, auditing of podcasts, one-click publishing, and YouTube republishing. Next on the list, Podserve. Podserve is a podcast hosting platform that gives you unlimited storage and podcast shows to carry out all your podcast ideas. Its user interface is straightforward and similar to the WordPress dashboard. It lets you write the title, description, and category after uploading an episode to give more context to listeners. Podserve also comes with a custom podcast hosting site. It serves as a directory, keeping all podcast episodes in one place for listeners to stream and share on their social networks. Next on the list, Podbean. It allows you to both record and live stream your podcasts. Moreover, it offers a free and customizable website for your brand. Furthermore, it imposes no limits on the content you can record or download using this platform. Additionally, below we share other Podbean features you should know before trying it. Key features of Podbean: easy episode listing on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and other sites, automatic sharing of all uploads to your social networks, podcast scheduling according to your requirements, podcast cover art creation with a variety of templates, fonts, and images, performance status. Ticks such as download numbers, boasts an advertising marketplace to help you find sponsors, lets you chat with the audience and interact with them in real time during live streaming of podcast, mobile application for easy podcast management. Next on the list, Anchor. Anchor, a podcast hosting platform powered by Spotify, is an excellent option for podcasters looking for a free podcast hosting service with unlimited storage. Podcasters using Anchor can distribute their content to Spotify, Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, and other platforms with a built-in one-click option, or use their RSS feed to share their projects with other apps. Anchor's analytics dashboard provides accurate, reliable data such as total plays, plays per episode, and audience location. Use this data to decide on episode frequency and topics and, ultimately, grow your audience. Next on the list, Transistor. It is one of the best podcast platforms with incredible analytical and private podcast hosting capabilities. Moreover, detailed analytics is what attracted us the most to Transistor. It gives you in-depth information about subscriber count, per episode downloads, current trends, and crucial metrics from apps where your episodes are listed. Additionally, below are a few other noteworthy features of this platform. Key features of Transistor: inbuilt website customization according to the brand of your podcast, supports multiple podcast creation, allows you to embed podcasts on your blog, websites, and social media, user-friendly podcast management, allows multiple users to log in and collaborate with each other. Next on the list, RSS.com. RSS.com is a popular podcast hosting platform suitable for both complete beginners to established podcasters. This podcast hosting platform offers a user-friendly interface and an easy setup process for all users. It comes with a free website, automatic distribution, episode scheduling tool, and social media sharing feature. Next on the list, Spreaker. Spreaker is great for podcasters who want a wide distribution range. It lets you share your project on popular podcast apps such as Spotify, Google Podcasts, Apple Podcasts, iHeartRadio, and Deezer. Additionally, Spreaker has its own free podcast recording software, the Spreaker Studio. It comes with editing tools and a live podcasting feature, which is an excellent way for podcasters to interact with their fans. Spreaker Studio's Skype recording feature lets you easily collaborate with other people. Receive CO hosts and guests regardless of their location. Depending on the plan, Spreaker's dynamic ad insertion helps you place ads in all OR selected episodes, choosing exactly when they are played. Combined with the listener data provided by the platform, it helps keep the ads relevant to your audience. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to click the like button, share and comment down below.